beginning gardener here. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about using a headboard as a trellis. It's kind of a neat little thing and something a lot of people just throw it away, but it's something we get it out every year and we put it in the garden and we grow vegetables, vining ones on it. It's kind of neat looking, and when you get your veggies growing on there and you get to a little bit of nice looking color, shiny metal too at the same time, a little bit of bling bling in your garden makes you feel pretty good. Always want to take advantage of having nice things around that you can reuse and keep making food with. So it's one more trick we like to use in our garden. And as always, have a good day now.